Stand by for a clap. Let me just pass this car here. Got me?
Got you.
Hey guys, James here at Framework Productions. We do a lot of on-the-road jobs, so I want to talk a little bit about some tips I figured out on how to get just a few extra shots, you know, establishing shots. You don't always have the budget for these things, especially when you're coming in for a one-day shoot, and that shoot's gonna take all day. I just flew in, I'm driving from the airport to set. There's a whole digital cinema package of grip and electric and cameras there, but it would push me and my crew into overtime trying to get a shot like this. What I do is I bring my 5D on the plane with me, as well as my Mavic Pro. That way, I can get off the plane, route my location, and find an area along the way that looks scenic or looks representative of the area. And I can be up filming in 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna get this up in the air and grab a beautiful shot of a nearby mountain that I think really shows the area well.
Take off.
So I was able to get this up in the air, grab a few video shots that will work really well as establishing shots, as well as grab a few photos, which are really good because specifically this client that I'm doing the shoot for today, I know uses banners on their websites and always wants those banners. So this is a great fast way to give a couple extra deliverables to my client, even if they don't have the budget. Another way to save time is I have this WD wireless SSD passport, and it's a great way to save time because I don't need my laptop to copy my media. I don't need to pop up a computer. I don't need a power source. I can literally pull my media from my camera, or in this case, my drone, put my media straight in here, press a button, and it copies everything from the card. There's also a feature you can use with the app where you can select specifically, you know, what media you want to copy, or a feature I really like, which is only copy new files. I'm sometimes out doing multiple cities in a row, so I can put my media straight in here. I can select only copy new, and it will copy over just the most recent stuff I shot, since I already know I have that last city backed up. So there's my SD card. It shows up right there, and it looks like it's copying over right now. All I did was put the card in, hit that one button, and it's copying all my video and photos, everything on the card, straight onto the hard drive. All right, so now I grab my stuff and I'm ready to go. Video production is all about planning out your day. Being able to achieve things quickly can really help you. And this is just ways that I'm able to get a few extra shots that really help my piece, and a few extra deliverables that I can give to my clients that can really help them even when it's a small budget.